everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Here I am again, Miss Vishali, to teach you EVS.
So children, today we will continue with the same chapter, chapter 6, My Food Habits, and we will discuss the book exercise. So let's start with the exercise, children. On this page we have only two parts of the first question. We'll discuss them. The number one question says take the right answer. So four options are given to us and we have to choose the right one. A part says food gives us energy to work, play, study, or all of these. So which one is the correct one? It gives us energy to work also, to play also, to study also. So the correct answer is all of these. Okay, now let's come to B part. B part says dash do not come from plants. What does not come from the plants? Fruits, vegetables, eggs, or pulses. So fruits, vegetable, and pulses, all the three things we get from plants except eggs. Eggs we get from hen or duck. Okay, so now let's have the look at the C part. Dash does not come from animals. Egg, milk, rice, or meat. Out of all the four, which one do we not get from animals? Egg, we get it from hen. Milk, we get it from cow. Rice. No, rice is not something that we get from animals. So we will put a tick on rice. Okay, now let's come to D part. We must eat food at dash time. Proper time, any time, night time, or daytime. So we must eat food at proper time. Yes. The first one is correct. I'll put a tick on the first one. Now comes E part. The meal that we take at night is called dash. The meal that we take at night. What do we call it? Do we call it breakfast, dinner, lunch, or meal? So the meal that we take at night is called dinner. So I'll put a tick on dinner. So question number 1 is completely discussed. Now let's come to question number 2. What does question number 2 says? Match the food product with the animal it comes from. So food products are given and animals are given. We have to match the food product with the animal that it comes from. There can be more than one correct animal. Okay. So now let's do it. First picture seems to be the flesh of animal, right? So it can be the flesh of hen also. It seems to be meat. So meat comes from goat also and meat comes from hen also. So we will put a tick on both. We'll match this meat with goat as well as with the hen. Alright, so meat will be matched with both the animals because we get meat from goat. Goat's meat is mutton and hen's meat is chicken. Next picture is of honey. Honey we get from honeybee. Okay, so we will match here with the picture of honeybee. Next is milk. Milk we get from cow. So milk we will match with cow. Alright. And then is eggs. Eggs. Who gives us eggs? Hen give us eggs. So eggs we will match with hen. Alright. So meat is matched with two animals. Okay, so now let's have a look at question number 3. Question number 3 says check the sentences that are right and cross that are wrong. So we'll put a tick on right sentences and cross on the wrong sentences. Is that clear? So let's start with the question number 1. A part says we need only water to grow. So do we need only water to grow? So this is wrong. So we'll put a cross. Okay, so we'll put a cross. So this is cross here. Okay. The next one. Food keeps us away from diseases. Food keeps us away from diseases. This is correct. So a tick. Next one, we should eat only one meal every day. Every day should we have only one meal? No, we should have at least all the 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is wrong. So we'll choose a cross. Okay. Next, we should not eat uncovered food. Yes, so this is correct. We should never eat uncovered food, right? So this is correct. A tick one. E part, we should not waste food. So this is also correct. So we'll put a tick again. Okay, all right. Now let's come to question number 4. Question number 4 says, think and write the name of a vegetable or a fruit which. So we have to think and write the name of a vegetable or a fruit. So let's read. We eat raw without peeling. Answers I have already written. Your answers can be different, no problem at all. So apple I have written. We can eat it without peeling, right? Next, B part is gives us juice. So I have written the simple answer orange. Yes, orange gives us juice. C part is used to prepare pickle. Pickle means achar. We make pickle of lemon. Okay, you can write any other answer also. We cannot eat uncooked. So if it is not cooked, we cannot eat it. So the answer is potato. So now let's discuss question number 5. Question number 5 says, circle the food items that we get from plants with green and those from animals with red color. So all those food items that we get from plants will be circled by green color, and all those food items that we get from animals will be circled by red color. So first picture seems to be the picture of food grains. Food grains we get from plants, so we will circle it with green color. Okay. Next picture is of honey. Honey we get from honeybee, so we will circle it from red color. Okay. Then the next picture is of milk. Milk we get from cow, so we will again circle it with red color. And the next picture is of eggs. Eggs we get from hen. Hen is an animal, so we will again circle it with red color. Next, fruits. Fruits we get from plants, so we will circle fruits with green color. Bread. Bread is made up of wheat, okay, or maida that we get from plants. So bread will be colored by green. Next seems to be chapati. Chapati is made from wheat, atta, right, and that we get from plants. So we will circle it with green. And then there is the picture of fish. Fish we get from, fish is an animal, so we will circle it with red. Alright. We have discussed all the book exercise. Thank you children for watching my video and stay tuned with me for more such videos. Till then, goodbye.